Hi, Patricia Stallworth here, and welcome to Debits to Credits. For years, large companies have been investing in programs to teach their managers and department heads all about accounting basics. Why? Because they know that once they understand where the numbers come from in the reports, then they have an opportunity to actually use those numbers and impact them in a positive way. How do I know this? Because I used to teach those classes. So if you're in business, no matter what size your business is, shouldn't you know where your numbers come from and how you can impact them to manage and grow your business? Scroll down to learn more about this course and register now so that you can take advantage of all the bonuses that we have, including a year's access to this program, including any including any updates that we make along the way. Don't forget, scroll down, register now, and I hope to see you in Debits to Credits.